Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update user-generated content moderation using Cloudflare, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update user-generated content moderation using Cloudflare, first, log into your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of the site you want to modify. Click on the Firewall section in the menu on the left side. From there, select Tools for additional moderation options. Next, locate the User Agent Blocking section. Add any specific user agents that you want to restrict from submitting content. Scroll down to find the IP Access Rules section. Here, you can set rules based on IP addresses to block or challenge suspicious submissions. For more advanced moderation, explore the Web Application Firewall settings. Enable rules that specifically target unwanted user-generated content. You may also want to utilize the rate limiting feature. This can help control the number of submissions from individual users within a set time frame. After setting up your rules, save all changes. To test your configuration, consider using a staging environment first. Check the logs to see if the changes are functioning as intended. You can further refine your settings based on the data collected. Regularly monitor the effectiveness of your moderation strategy. Adjust the parameters as necessary to improve content quality. This will ensure your user-generated content remains relevant and appropriate. By following these steps, you can effectively manage user-generated content using Cloudflare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.